Hello everybody, I am Elham from Skin Chakra, the place to purchase excellent quality cosmetic raw material and to learn how to formulate like a cosmetic chemist. Since Inolex has forbidden all retailers to sell their products, we have been trying to move away from Emulsense HC and aminosensil HC as well as other Inolex ingredients that we cannot sell online anymore in retail. For purchasing Inolex ingredients, Lexfil, aminosensil, Emulsense, Lipfil, all the other ones, you need to contact directly Inolex or a distributor in your region, your country. So we have found something that I'm sure will satisfy your requirements. This is a no-fuss cationic ingredient, palm-free, plant-based, natural, very easy to work with, not as picky as Emulsense or aminosensil. You can easily blend them with other ingredients, with non-ionic ingredients, with non-ionic gums, easily adjust the viscosity of the product, easily change the oil percentage of the conditioner, very forgiving when it comes to manufacturing procedure and formulation, and it is not as picky as Emulsense or aminosensil when it comes to preservatives. So you can use other preservatives than the Spectrastat that was just suitable for Emulsense and aminosensil. Today, Svetlana and I are going to show you how to make this beautiful no-fuss conditioner. This is a kiss formulation, very easy to make but very impressive. It doesn't build up on hair. It leaves your hair silky, shiny, soft, detangles the hair but doesn't build up and is really forgiving when you are formulating. I'm sure you are going to love this emulsifier as much as we love it, and you will enjoy making it. As always, the complete procedure and formulation are available on our blog, so follow Svetlana to see how she makes this Kiss hair conditioner. As always, we keep the formulation very simple. The water phase consists of plain water because this is a hot phase. Then we are adding arginine to the water to slightly increase the pH. Sodium gluconate as a chelator, glycerine as a humectant and stabilizer, and the other chelator is our PA3. Both of them have a synergetic effect and work as a chelator, stabilizer and antioxidant. The oil and water phases are separately blended and then heated at a temperature between 82 to 85. The oil phase consists obviously of the cationic surfactant. This is a proprietary blend of non-quaternary cationic surfactants, alcohol. Then we have the olive-based and plant-based alternative to silicone oil and alternative to the Lexfil that we are not going to sell anymore. As the oil, we use macadamia oil. And now we will heat the oil and water phases together till the oil phase is completely melted. The oil phase is now completely melted, and we will blend the oil and water phase and homogenize it for a few minutes. conditioner is almost ready, and now we have to cool it down while we continue stirring. And after it has cooled down to room temperature, we need to adjust the pH and add the heat sensitive ingredients. We let the conditioner cool down and we'll come back and show you the results, measure the pH and add the heat sensitive ingredients. The conditioner has been stirring for over 30 minutes now and it's cooled down, and we can add our heat sensitive ingredients or post addition. First we start with the buffer solution. This conditioner needs a buffer solution, a blend of lactic acid and sodium lactate. The buffer has a pH around 4. And then we add our paprika oil, and you can see that the color turns from a white luxurious color to a nice light orange or peach color. Then we add the essential oil, that is grapefruit oil. And since our preservative system works independent of the pH, we can add the preservative right now, and then we will prepare a 10% measurement and measure the pH and adjust it if it is necessary. So we let this blend stir for a while till everything is homogeneous, and then we'll prepare a 10% dilution to measure the pH. The conditioner is ready now. We just need to measure and adjust the pH if necessary. This is the consistency. The viscosity will slightly increase within the next 24 hours. And now we'll go to prepare a 10% dilution and measure the pH. The pH is 417. The recommended pH from the supplier is between 3 to 5. We prefer a pH between 4 to 4.5, and that is completely in range. And since our preservative system is independent of the pH, that matches the preservative as well and will not be compromised. And now the formulation is complete.